Hello, my name is Derrick G. Hamlin, Defense Attorney Extraordinaire, and welcome to my latest video blog on HamlinLegal.com. I've represented hundreds of clients in the state of Maryland and the District of Columbia, and many of them share similar questions. The purpose of this blog is to answer those questions. Our first question is, are my calls from jail being recorded? And the answer is yes. As you may remember from the Monica Lewinsky scandal, Maryland has very strict wiretap laws. Maryland requires that all parties consent to the call being recorded. The jail is allowed to record your call because what they do is let you know that they're recording it. What that means is when you hear that beep, this call is being recorded, what they're essentially saying is, if you don't consent to this call, you want to hang up now, because whether you like it or not, this call is being recorded. So don't say anything stupid over the phone. Don't say anything about your case that you wouldn't want to hear played back in the court in front of your jury or your judge. Please understand that every call is recorded and will be made available to the state's attorney or the police officers in your case. Only discuss your case with your attorney, preferably in person. The District of Columbia only requires one party consent, and in this case, the jail can be considered a party, so it's even easier for them to record your calls. Keep that in mind. Don't be stupid. Our second question is, what can happen if I use an alias when I'm arrested? Well, once you're fingerprinted, the police are going to find out your true identity if you've ever been arrested before. And at that point, one consequence could be that they charge you with false statement or identity theft on top of the charges that you're being arrested for. Another consequence is once you get the bail review, your bail could be increased. Many judges consider you a flight risk if you use more than one identity. Some people will use a friend or a loved one's name when they're arrested as their alias. And a consequence for your loved one or friend is that they may not be able to get a job because it has a security clearance or be eligible for financial aid if it's a drug charge. And by picking a random name, you may choose one who has more charges than you do. This is funny, but it's not funny. I had a juvenile with the worst luck in the world. He was trying to avoid a curfew charge for being out after midnight. Gave a random name of a career criminal who was on the run with several outstanding warrants. He spent a week in adult prison while they sorted out his true identity. It's not worth it. They will find out if you're arrested. Give your real name. I hope that you found this blog helpful, and I hope that you will visit us at HamlinLegal.com for more information, or if you need to hire an excellent attorney. Again, this is Derrick Hamlin, Defense Attorney Extraordinaire. So give us a call for a consultation and let's discuss your situation.